Well, Jim, our weather tonight, it seems like it's going to rain. It has, felt like rain all day long, although I know it hasn't been in the forecast.
Yeah, very perceptive of you. And it could rain tonight. A little front coming in will interact with this Gulf moisture, the spring-like feel in the air I think we can all feel out there today, and could produce some showers and thunderstorms tonight. There is nothing to show you on the radar right now. Skies are partly to mostly cloudy, depending on where you are here in central Texas at this hour. Mainly mostly cloudy around Austin. It's 84 degrees currently. That front will move on in through the evening hours, and so this will be the last day this week. In fact, there are no more 80-degree days even in the whole 7-day forecast coming up in just a minute. That tells you right there there's going to be a bit of a change. At 8 o'clock, 76. At 10 o'clock tonight, 67 degrees. Notice a shower or a thunderstorm in the evening forecast. A possibility anyway. About a 30% chance of that developing where you are tonight. Temperatures right now in the low and mid-80s out in the hill country. The front's actually pushing into the hill country right now. The cool air is just lagging a little bit behind up there in the big country. You'll see that on the state temperature map in a minute. 84 in Fredericksburg, Georgetown rather, 84 degrees down in Lockhart, 85 degrees in LaGrange. Mostly cloudy, and again 84 in the city. It's 85 degrees out at the airport. No wind stirring at all out there right now. Sun set tonight at 6:42. The pollen count today, not bad. Mold medium at 688, and ragweed 47 is low. And with the change in the weather over the next couple of days, shouldn't see much change in the pollen count. Temperatures around the state. There's that cold front. 66 degrees in Abilene, 66 in Lubbock, 61 degrees in Amarillo. I mean, it's not an incredibly strong front, but it is going to drop our temperatures to below average over the next couple of days. Meanwhile, ahead of the front, 80s from central Texas all the way down to the valley, even 92 degrees right now in the Laredo area. So here's the front on the map moving into the hill country right now, but notice behind it the spin in the atmosphere right there. That is an upper level low pressure area that is moving out of the Rockies and is going to do something a little bit interesting really for this time of year. It is going to drop right to the south, cut off into an upper level closed low, we call it, and then slide on down to the valley over the next couple of days. Now that will ensure that we continue to see post-frontal cloudiness, I think, over the next couple of days, and with the energy in the atmosphere wringing out any moisture that's available, maybe a little more rain here between now and late Wednesday. Tonight, we'll see partly cloudy skies with a chance of a thunderstorm developing, and then we cloud up tomorrow in the cooler air. And then I don't think we break out of the clouds again until Thursday. So this is going to feel like fall to you for a change. By Wednesday morning, maybe even some wraparound light precipitation in the form of maybe some drizzle, maybe some light fog, maybe even a rain shower or an isolated thunder shower. And then on Wednesday in the evening, that precipitation shifts off away from us, but we still remain in the cloudy and cool air. We're talking about maybe not even climbing out of the 60s. Tomorrow possibly may not get above 70 degrees, but certainly on Wednesday. Now tonight and early in the morning, this is how low the temperature should go in the area, mainly low in mid-50s. But then tomorrow, if we get to 70 degrees, it won't be much above 70. And then, as I mentioned on Wednesday, maybe not out of the 60s. Okay, tonight, you could see some rain showers or a thunderstorm pop up. The Storm Prediction Center says essentially along and east of Interstate 35, slight risk even of a severe storm developing tonight. So we'll be tracking those for you should they form. Now tomorrow we'll start off mostly cloudy, breezy north winds, and then the clouds will thicken up, I think, as we go through the day, and there's a slight chance for some patchy light rain tomorrow. What are the chances? Tomorrow, Election Day, about a 30% chance, high of 69 in Austin. On Wednesday, temperatures not making it much above the lower 60s with a 50% chance of some chilly rain. And the sun pops back out on Thursday. We're back to the low 70s, and then mid-70s as we head toward the weekend. But as I mentioned, some really nice fall weather headed this way. And then, of course, this weekend we return to Central Standard Time when we'll set our clocks back 1 hour early Sunday morning.